Ever feel like history class skipped a few chapters? You learned about the Romans, the Mongols, maybe even the Ottomans. But what about the vast, powerful Islamic empires that flourished for centuries, only to be footnotes in our modern textbooks? It's like someone tried to hit the delete button on huge parts of our shared past. Today, we're hitting restore. Let's uncover the lost Islamic empires the world seems to have forgotten. First up, the Sultanate of Malacca, a maritime powerhouse in Southeast Asia. From the 15th to the 16th century, it was the epicenter of the global spice trade, a bustling hub where merchants from China, India, and Arabia met. Its wealth was legendary, its culture a vibrant blend of Malay and Islamic traditions. But when the Portuguese arrived with cannons blazing, Malacca's golden age came to a sudden, violent end. Its story was largely overshadowed by the rise of European colonial powers, its legacy absorbed and rewritten. Next, let's travel to West Africa and the Songhai Empire, at its peak in the 16th century. It was one of the largest states in African history. Its capital, Gao, and intellectual centers like Timbuktu were world-renowned for their universities and libraries, attracting scholars from all over the Islamic world. They were pioneers in law, science, and education. So what happened? An invasion from Morocco, armed with gunpowder weapons, shattered the empire, leading to a period of decline and fragmentation. Its incredible intellectual achievements were scattered and nearly lost to the sands of time. Finally, we head to India, to the Deccan Sultanates. This group of 5 kingdoms in south-central India were patrons of some of the most stunning art and architecture you've never heard of. Their fusion of Persian, Turkic, and local Indian styles created a unique and breathtaking culture. They were centers of innovation and military might. But their history was eventually eclipsed by the rise of the mighty Mughal Empire and later, the British Raj, who had little interest in preserving the legacy of the rulers they replaced. From the trade routes of Malacca to the libraries of Timbuktu and the palaces of the Deccan, these empires were not just footnotes. They were centers of civilization that shaped our world in countless ways. Their stories weren't just lost, they were often intentionally buried. By digging them up, we get a much richer, more accurate picture of world history. What other forgotten histories should we explore next? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more hidden stories from our past.